everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today again the same thing, same procedure. I took the bottle. You can take any kind of bottle and then you start to make the figure with the foil, and then you will start to use your other stuff to make for the dress. If the figure is straight, you can leave the bottle as it is, you can use the foil. And for me, I'm going to use this McDonald cup to make her skirt type, maxi type skirt. And I have cut it a little bit from the center to make it tight a little bit, not to have too much wideness of her skirt. And after using the hot glue to stick the cup, I'm using this paper tape to secure it more, and then it's still open and loose as you can see. Then I am taking this foil to fill the space between the bottle and the cup, and it will give more nice shape for her body as well. And for those who are new to my channel and watching it first time, thank you so much for your time to be here to watch my video. And it will be really great if you still didn't subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel to support me, to encourage me, to show the love, so I can continue making these figures and these dolls, whatever you call them. So it will be really encouragement for me if you do subscribe to channel. And anyway, I have covered then with the paper tape the foil part, and then here I'm using this hot glue. As you can see, I made it let it hot a little bit, the hot glue. Then I switched off the electricity to leave it a little bit cold, warm, like because I don't need it too much hot because it will be melting down. And the reason I'm making it to create the wrinkles for her skirt, like plaits type. So here is the paper mache clay which I'm going to apply. First I will be covering all of the cup. Then where is the hot glue stick, there I will be applying the clay more to make the wrinkles prominent, to make the plates prominent. So I hope you understand what I mean. From the center space between the both hot glue stripes, there is less clay, and on the hot glue top I am applying the clay more to create the wrinkles. So this is how I have created the basic figure, and I will be keep covering it from the front and the back side as well. So now here I'm creating her shirt. Here you can see it's like having a cut from the center and vest type or whatever you call it. I am creating all the things with the clay. I love this clay. I really enjoy creating things and wrinkles and details with this one. And yeah, I really enjoy working with this clay now. Instead of using the cement with the fabric, that's much more easy thing to go for. You can do that one if you don't want to use the clay, this paper mache clay. But for me, I love working with this. So yeah, I'm creating wrinkles on her shirt. Here you can see the details. And then here I'm making some more details for her dress, for her blouse, vest, shirt, whatever you call it. It's a little bit like deep neck type. So today I'm using this paper arms I made. I didn't use foil because at the same time I needed to finish this thing and I was out of foil. So here, this is the card. As you can see, I made small trolley type, which I just put it here just to know where I need to bring her arms, like she's holding this card, whatever you call it. I don't know exactly the name. Suddenly when I want to know something, it goes out from my mind. I don't know, but anyway, this is here I have put it, and I have made this card at night, or obviously because there was no time to keep showing all these details and small things. So this is paper arms I made, which I will be sticking here, and then I'm using again the paper mache clay to make her fluffy sleeves of her dress with the paper mache clay. It's a little bit challenging from this side, like to create exact shape of the dress sleeves, but I was trying my best to create the look, and I hope I So one sleeve is complete on her shoulder, and the other side of her arm, the sleeve should, I will be making it like it's coming downward, down to shoulder a little bit from her blouse. Like this is going to be arm. I am making the arm with the clay as well to create the detailings. Then the sleeve will not be starting from here. It's like we are showing her shoulder, off shoulder, a little bit shirt. It's going downward a little bit. Like she is, you can say she is sailing woman, working woman, something like this. So she's so busy and a little bit attractive as well. So her sleeve from the other side is a little bit downward. So this is just my style I wanted to do. If you want to go for your things, you can go for that, obviously. So here I started to create more texture and details with the more clay, like from her blouse, the lace type fabric or something like this is coming. It's the same glue, I mean it's the same paper mache clay, just the color is different for the egg cartoon, so that's why you feel it like different. But this is how I'm creating rough texture on her top of her blouse and the edges of her sleeves, just to make it a little bit different. Head also I have prepared at night. I let it dry completely there because there was no time to do everything in the same day because I wanted to upload the video. So anyway, I have created the head. I have put it on the foil and on the wire, and I stick it inside the foil of her body. Then I will be covering all the parts with the same clay, and now here I'm creating the texture for her hair, like she's having a little bit rough hair and high bun. So this is here is white cement, and I added some glue in it to make it more strong, because I was feeling this kind of cement white color. I didn't feel it much nice, because without glue it was not working. It was coming out like powder, or maybe it was expired or something, I don't know. So I added the glue in it, white glue, and then I will be covering all of this sculpture with this thick paste of white cement, and I didn't need to use any other acrylic paints after using this cement, so it was the beneficial thing for me to use this cement, but it was working quite well as well after adding the glue, so I was happy with the results. So here, from the body parts prominent, you need to keep the cement smooth, and for her dress I will be creating some texture off the camera as well. So here is the basic look. Here you can see the people who always ask me to show the back side of her body. This is how she looks like from the back side. Deep neck from the back side as well, back, deep back, and yeah. And after it's dry, I will be using sandpaper to remove some extra stones or rough edges or something, whatever. Then I am using here a brush. While it is smooth a little bit, I'm using this brush to create the texture on her dress, sleeves, and her skirt as well. And it was looking very nice instead of having complete smooth structure of her body as well, and for her dress as well. It was looking much better after creating this texture of brush on her dress. So yeah, it was making it a little bit different than the body parts. So I was happy with the result as well. And here almost we are done. I didn't make the hands and those things. I didn't go in much details. I just wanted to create the look. So, and I did it. If you want to make hands, you can go for it. And this is how I just made some baskets with the cardboard and the trolley card, whatever. And this is how she looks like now. Like she's holding, her hands are actually covering the handles of the this card, but like she's holding it. And I really loved it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna make some other stuff like this one, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, encourage me to keep doing these things, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for